Our health system is preparing for COVID-19, that novel coronavirus. This is a very delicate time in our healthcare system as we're preparing for the eventuality that patients will require healthcare services and testing. Our emergency departments are ramping up for the potential rise in visits related to respiratory infections, and we are very busy preparing. We do not need the additional burden of what we traditionally get at this time of year, which at St. Patrick's Day we can get a rise of 80 to 100 additional visits for all the consequences from alcohol or drug intoxication. We know traditionally St. Patrick's Day weekend has a significant impact on our healthcare system. And on behalf of the frontline paramedics, emergency physicians, nurses that are preparing for COVID, they are asking our community to work together. We're all in this together. Each one has a role to play to try to limit your use of alcohol on the weekend, to show social responsibility. It's important that everyone realize COVID-19 is spread by cough or droplets. And the key advice to prevent COVID-19, since we don't have a vaccine and we don't have a medication, is for people to distance themselves socially, not congregate in large crowds, because that can only enhance the risk of this spreading in a large crowd. Mass gatherings in any way should be avoided for your personal risk and the risk to the community. So we don't want to attract people from elsewhere to Kingston, which can again lead to increased risk of spread. That is how this is spreading in other jurisdictions around the globe. So close contact typically is a 2-meter distance separating individuals, because that is if someone coughs, that's the risk, or if you sneeze, that's the risk of the droplets touching you. So 2-meter distancing clearly can't occur within crowded areas if there's a street party and or house parties, and would absolutely increase the risk of transmission of this virus. This is a new threat to our community. We're all in this together, and everyone has an important role to play. We're asking sincerely that you show responsibility this St. Patrick's Day, avoid mass gatherings, celebrate in small groups, and if you have an acute new respiratory infection, don't go out, stay at home, wash your hands, cover your cough, don't go to work, and if you've traveled with an acute respiratory infection, please call telehealth, your family physician, public health, and or seek testing at our new assessment center.